Hello, this is Dale, and this is my nightly video blog for Thursday, June 13th. Well, we talked about EEM yesterday. I'm not in it, but I'm just watching it. Looks like we're going to let GDX expire worthless on that call side. We don't have anything else going on right now. Remember, these are not recommendations to buy or sell. Options Infinity LLC is not a brokerage firm. Our instruction is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, let's bring over our, well, the first thing I guess I'll do here is end this show and show you what I was up to yesterday. Yeah, there I am with the U.S. Open trophy, and I didn't win the championship. That was just a photograph. You were allowed to hold the trophy as long as you didn't kiss it. And I said, well, I'm going to come pretty close to it, and there you go. Had a great day, and we talked about EEM last night. Let's take a look at EEM. As it had just a little bit of a squeeze back here between 11 and 12. That would have got us in right around here, right around the 39.10. The thing that I didn't like about it, the more I looked at this, is how uneven it was, and the call was way out of proportion to the put. Even if I would have been here, I probably would not have taken this because of the uneven, totally out of balance here. I tried to go a little further out on the put side, make it a little cheaper, but it went from this way down, so it's very difficult to balance. If you have something that's very difficult to balance, if you get a move in one direction or the other, and you get a move going against the side that was a lot more expensive, you got a lot more to pick up before you make money, and that's exactly what happened today. As you see that it started taking off to the upside, and as a matter of fact, it made one measured move here early in the morning, actually before market, well, just as the market opened. And I took that up to the 261 and said, well, even if it gets there, you're not going to be making much money. Then it came up here and kind of went up and down during lunchtime, and took a Fibonacci on that one, and there, of course, that's a big measure move, more dominant, and the lower numbers are going to have more credence. Well, notice how it came up there and ticked the 78.6 and then pulled back a little bit. Well, is it going to pull back, or is it going to just consolidate there for a while and go further? If you are in this, what I would suggest is tomorrow morning keep an eye on this, and remember, don't do anything till around our 10 o'clock. We made that error last week. And, at 10 o'clock, if it looks like it's going to push further, go ahead and stay with it a little bit. See if you can salvage some profit out of this. Otherwise, you might want to get out. Of course, that 5 cents is going to evaporate pretty quickly on the last day unless it makes a sharp decline. So, you'll be managing this pretty tightly come the opening tomorrow morning. On the rest of them, what we've got is FAS had a strong day towards the end of the day, and it's interesting because we had no squeeze here. Obviously, as a matter of fact, it's diverging here. And if you look at this, you say, well, okay, there's a good double bottom right there. So who knows? This is not declared a double bottom until we clear this portion. Who knows if it clears that? Who knows where it might go? But this is the kind of move you like to see. That's the kind of move where you can make money on. And if you look at that, I mean, there's the first major move there. There's another one there. There's another one there. Another one there. There, and whoosh, up it goes. Let's just put a Fibonacci on there just for practice here. If we go with a Fibonacci extension, let's go with this first one here. Let's go with the first one. And you can see that it came up there midday, consolidated a little bit, pulled back, and then pushed on up. So at that point in time, you say, well, okay, that was one measure move. Here's a bigger dominant measure move, even though the wick of the candle is stuck up above here. You might be able to do this. You might be able to go from here to here and down to here and see what we got there. Are you kidding me? Did it really come up within a tick of the 161.8? These Fibonacci's are incredible. Now this is just for practice, and I want you to continue to look at these, because don't wait till you have a squeeze. I mean, the night before, the morning of, we all should be taking a look at that chart and saying, okay, I see this as a potential double bottom. Put a Fibonacci on here and see how far down it's gone, what its potential is. I mean, you want to study these charts. You just don't want to come in cold. You want to know what these charts are saying. You want to be with the rhythm of it. Okay? So that is FAS. We don't have anything on FAS, and we're diverging at this point. GDX was up just a smidge towards the end here. Boy, wouldn't you love to see it go rocketing up here. Probability is slim and none, but you know, that's the kind of move you can get in GDX. And you know, we've got no value on it whatsoever right now, but we'll just let, you know, if we don't have any, we'll let that one go right to expiration and not pay any commissions to get out of that. TLT just continues the Bollinger Bands continue to be parallel. There's no squeezes in TLT. Okay, let me go over here real quick and see if I can get into Wistia, because I wanted to show everybody, especially the new people. I wanted to talk a little bit about you know, what you've got with the nightly blog and what its capability is, and what you can do with that. Market just closed. Okay, let me bring this over so everybody can take a look at it. Here is what you see when I send you out the link, and I've been doing this blog since March 17th. So, you know, here we are in June 13th. That's almost 3 months that I've been doing the blog. And I talk about these trades every night. And where we're going to get at and when we're going to get in. And, you know, I can't give you the exact signal because I'm not a licensed broker, but boy, oh boy, I mean, if you look over my shoulder and listen to my teaching, you know what I'm doing, and I show you what I've done. And over that 3-month period, it has returned, drum roll please, 1,388% in 3 months. The trades that I have showed you have returned 1,388%. Now, there is nowhere else you're going to be able to find this kind of explosive profits. There is nobody out there that teaches this kind of explosion. Yeah, there's a lot of people out there teaching stuff. Some of it's good, some of it isn't. This particular strategy is just explosive. And one of the things I like about the weeklies, I trade a very small portion of my portfolio because most of my portfolio is in stock. I've got a very large portfolio, both personally and hedge fund. And most of it is in stock because it's less risky. There's no time constraints. I get dividends. And I don't need a big return to make a lot of money. I do have a portion in weeklies. And I look at weeklies as they keep me sharp. Everything I need to be, as far as a successful trader is concerned, is in the weeklies. I need to be disciplined. I need to have trading rules. I need to have a plan what I'm doing. I need to touch base in the market a couple times during the day. I need to plan ahead what my strategies might be. I need to stay with the rhythm. You know, everything I need to, you know, do the Fibonacci's. I need to, look at the squeezes. I need everything I need to be a success in other parts of my trading are found in weeklies. Now, if you stick with me, you are going to be a success too, because you can't help but watch a successful trader night after night after night and have some of it rub off. I'm not only showing you a very dynamite and powerful strategy, I'm teaching you how to be a successful trader. You're getting an awful lot here. You're getting an awful lot of here, and you can't get it anywhere else. This training goes for, way more than $5,000, and you're being charged $65 a month because I worked with Tradewinds and I said, listen, I don't want you to charge an arm and a leg for this. I've made my money. I'm a professional trader. I want to give back, and this is how I want to give back. I want to have a lot of people following me so that I can teach them how to be a success, and I don't want it to be expensive. And they said, well, how much, is $65 a month, is that reasonable? And I said, you got it. That's exactly what I want. Nothing more. Nothing more. Okay? Now, it's going to take you a while to get up the learning curve, and that's okay because this is so powerful. It's going to, like I said, it's going to rub off on your other trading. Stay with me. Stay with me. Go up the learning curve. Learn this. Okay? I've been doing my regular blog on theta trades and regular option trading since March of 2010. That's 3+ years. I plan on doing the weekly options in parallel with that, right along with it. I'm not going anywhere. I want to teach you to be a success. Stay with me. Bye-bye now. Have a great weekend, everybody.